Hi everyone, this is Khadi. I'm going to show you how to create a WarriorPlus account. Firstly, just go to WarriorPlus.com and you will be presented with this screen. And on the screen, just select the free sign up option. Once you get to the free sign up option, you will get this following that you need to complete your username, password, and email address. If you want WarriorPlus to notify you or if there are any special offers, you can just select this option. Otherwise, you can leave it out. And to ensure that it is actually a real person that is applying for the account, please select I'm not a robot option. And once you've done that, select create account option. And once you select this option, your account will be created. From there, you will be able to promote your offers. So this is how you create your WarriorPlus account. As you see, this is just a simple process. Thanks for watching my video. Cheers, guys.